of Wade DLO 1 Royal Blue Skies is more than just a sneaker, it represents a milestone in both D'Angelo Russell's career and the global reach of Kicks Crew and Way of Wade. First unveiled at Fanatics Fest NYC, where it quickly sold out on day one, the shoe drew significant buzz, underlining Russell's growing presence in sneaker culture. Set to launch globally on July 19, 2025, at 11 a.m. ET at 8 a.m. PT, the sneaker will be available exclusively on kickscrew.com for $110, with only 300 pairs released worldwide. Blending storytelling and performance, the design features a royal blue upper inspired by clear skies, wave-patterned midsoles, and premium Cabranda details. Russell expressed his gratitude for the overwhelming fan support, emphasizing how meaningful this release is to him personally. With its limited availability and emotional resonance, the DLO 1 Royal Blue Skies is poised to become a true collector's gem.